Okay, so you're very active in Toastmasters. How come? Why did you join this club?
I remember in my childhood, in my school days, I did a play. This play is about a student who goes back to school, and when he's old and he asks for a refund, he says, "Refund me my tuition fees. You have not taught me anything. I'm a failure in life." And I was the maths teacher. It was a wonderful experience. That memory stayed for a very long time. When I grew up in 1991, I was associated with the NGO, one of the founders of an NGO in India, helping the differently abled. So we did an event for fundraising, and I was the organizer of the event. And as the organizer, I was supposed to go on the stage and say something.
Mm-hmm.
That was the first time after my childhood play, I went on stage and I went blank. A very important audience, a very important fundraiser, and I went blank. And then I distinctly remember that I was maybe in the universe and I was speaking, my voice was coming back to me, so scared. So 2019, when I was in Hong Kong, I went to a BNI club trying to network. And there I find someone who gave me a card with Toastmasters on it.
Mm.
The next day I Googled it and I joined it within 10 days.
Mm.
After visiting 2 clubs, trying to find which one is near and more suitable. So I was there very, very fast.
Mm.
Didn't have to think twice, because that 2 things, the memory of good times on the stage where everyone was praising, and the second time in adulthood where I just blanked out on stage.
Yeah, yeah. And you love it, right? That's why you put a lot of time in it, and yeah, and even dedicated to found our club.
Toastmaster, I found one thing very important.
Mm-hmm.
That is, Toastmaster, everyone perceives as a place to learn leadership skills or communication skills.
Mm-hmm.
For me, actually, it is a way of life.
Mm.
It, I wish I knew Toastmasters when I was in college.
Yeah.
I wish I knew Toastmasters 10 years before, when I was struggling on my business.
Yeah.
Because I have so many opportunities to go and
Mm-hmm.
speak and get a feedback. With Tung Chung Club, which is a family-oriented, fun-based club,
Mm-hmm.
made a lot of friends, learned a lot of things.
Mm-hmm.
And then I visualized and understood that same pattern we can use for our business promotion,
Mm-hmm.
of understanding our business challenges. So with a mission to get all the founders, business owners, and aspiring entrepreneurs together.
Yeah.
Me and Cohen, who was my immediate division director, and I was serving as the area director.
Mm.
We sponsored this club. It was really challenging because it was COVID time.
Mm.
No, not many personal meetings, and we had to do all Zoom meetings. And it took us around 9 months to gather those 20 members.
Mm.
And we are just looking to see how we can take this forward to a new height, where members would really help each other in their entrepreneur journey.
Yeah. Yeah. Wonderful. Yeah. Wonderful initiative. Moving on to my usual questions to my guests. And the first one is, what would you advise your younger self?
2 years back on table topics in Toastmaster, I got this topic. You get a time machine. What will you do? I always said I would like to stay in the present. And this was my contest speech also 2 days back. So this idea has been in my mind for a very, very long time. I don't think I will advise anything. There were challenges. Life was not easy. And my advice, I'll go through it same way again. No advice. I would love what I've done. All my mistakes, all my challenges, all my problems, I will like to still have them because these are the ones who have been helping me in shaping my life. I've learned from each one of them. There could have been no other way.
Yeah, I love
What
that
advice
answer.
to give myself?
Yeah, I love
Maybe
that
I would
answer.
give
Really, yeah.
advice to my children. Listen to your elders. Try to gain from their experience.
Yeah,
Don't rewrite the whole world again. So build up from the experience.
yeah, that's great advice.